Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you all for being here today. In this video, we want to present our project about web-based portfolio application for Polybatam students. We appreciate your time and look forward to sharing insights with you. Before I start, let me introduce the members of my team. We have Putri Salsa Nabila as the tester and as the leader of our team. Then we have Aurelia Azara Putri Guda as our analyst. Then we have Anissa Nabila Andrin as a designer. Then we have Karisman Anil Maidi as implementation. Then Jibril Titian Zidanpu as design. And lastly, Albert Simangunsong as implementation. First, we have analysis, which determines requirements and specification, designing use case diagrams and scenarios, determine stakeholders, designing business processes, devise a plan testing, creating vision and scope document, PBL reports, and document SRS, which is held by Aurelia Azara Putri Huda. Next, we have design, which prepares data design, designing architectural design, create interface design, and working on the design program, which have Anissa Nabila Andrin, which is me, and Jibril Titian Zidanpu. Next, we have implementation, which implements all the documents that have been made into language programming, which is held by Karisman Anil Maindi and Albert Simangunsong. Next, we have testing, which carries out testing on web applications that have been made, which is held by Putri Salsa Nabila. Next, we have general description. The MHSP application is a web-based platform designed to showcase student portfolios. This application allows students to present information about their work, projects, or experiences in a structured and engaging manner. It helps students demonstrate their skills and achievements to potential employers, clients, or the public.
The web-based portfolio application offers several features that are particularly beneficial for Polybatam students. 1. Detailed profile management. Students can manage their personal information, including educational, background, and experience in a comprehensive and easy-to-update profile. 2. CV creation. The application allows students to generate professional CV directly from the information they input into their profile. 3. Project posting. Students can showcase their academic or personal project by posting them on their profile. This feature enables them to highlight their work and advancement to a wider audience. 4. Search feature for other profiles. The application includes a search function that enables users to explore the portfolio of other students. The result, identification K200. Testing registration with incomplete data. User attempt to register with incomplete data. User wants to register 60 December. Tester Putri scenario. 1. User access the registration page. 2. User fill out the registration form. 3. User register failure notification. Expect outcome. User data is not sent to the database. Observe first outcome. User data failed to send and a failure notification appeared. Conclusion. Observation matched expectation. KU2002. Testing registration with complete data. User register with complete data. User wants to register. Testing date 60 December. Tester Putri scenario. 1. User access the registration page. 2. User fill out the registration form. 3. User receive a success notification. Expect outcome. User data is sent to the database. Observer outcome. User data successfully sent and a success notification appeared. Conclusion. Observation meets expectation. Okay, next test result, identification KU003, test case name, testing login functionality with normal data, description, users login with normal data, initial condition, user wants to login, testing date December 16, 2024, tester Putri. Scenario, 1. User access the login page, 2. User fill out the login form, 3. Check the login result, 4. User receives a success notification. Expect outcome, the dashboard page appears. Observed outcome, user successfully entered the dashboard page. Conclusion, observation match expectation. The next test results, identification KU004, Test case name, login with incorrect password. Description, user logs in with an incorrect password. Initial condition, user wants to login. Testing date, December 16, 2024. Tester, Putri. Scenario 1, user access the login page. 2, user fill out the login form. 3, check the login result. Expect outcome, login failure notification appears. Our set outcome, users failed to enter the dashboard page and receive a login failure notification. Conclusion, observation, match expectation.
Okay, my name is Karisma Nanggul Ramaindi, and I will explain to you about test result in KU 005, 006, and 007. In 005, test case name, testing filling in student personal data correctly. Description is student fills in personal data correctly. Initial condition, student wants to fill in personal data. Testing date, December 16, 2024. Tester, Putri. Scenario. First, student access the portfolio page. After that, student adds personal data in the personal data section at the top. Student fills in personal data according to the available fields. After that, student personal data successfully enter the database. After that, the system displays a notification that the data was successfully added. After that, student adds portfolio data. Now, 7, portfolio data successfully enters the database. Number 8, the system displays a notification that the data was successfully added. Number 9, student adds experience data. Next, number 10, experience data successfully enters the database. The system displays a notification that the data was successfully added. Next, student adds our data. Next, our data successfully entered the database. Next, the system displays a notification that the data was successfully added. Next, student adds language data. Next, language data successfully entered the database. The system displays notification that the database successfully added. Next, student adds education data. Education data successfully enters the database. The system displays notification that the data was successfully added. Next, student adds certificate data. Certificate data successfully enters the database, and the system displays notification that the data was successfully added. Expert outcome. Success notification appears and data enters the database. Observed outcome. Student successfully fills in personal data. Conclusion. Observation match expectation. In KU 006, the case name is testing student search. Description, student search for another student. Initial condition, student wants to search for another student. Testing date, December 16, 2024. Tester is Putri. Scenario. 1, student access the index page. 2, student goes to search page from the index page. 3, student finds the other student they want to search for. Expected outcome, the student profile appears. Observed outcome, the profile is successfully displayed. Conclusion, observation match expectation. KU 007, the case name is testing the display result from student search. Description, the system displays the result of the student search. Initial condition, student wants to see the complete data for another student. Testing date, December 16, 2024. Tester, Putri. Scenario. 1, student access the index page. 2, student goes to the search page from the index page. 3, student find the other student they want to search for. 4, student select one of the names from the search result and fill the complete data of the student. Expected outcome. The student profile data appears. Observed outcome. The student profile data is successfully displayed. Conclusion. Observation match expectation.
Application and course relation. Introduction to software engineering. The project ends with the introduction to software engineering course by applying KF prevail like requirement analysis, design, implementation, and testing. It uses proper documentation, SRF, and design diagram to show how course concept are into practice. Algorithm and programming. The course in series fundamental programming concept to development a web-based portfolio application with mathematics. The project is to discrete mathematical concept, number theory applied to generate unique and handle data. Application and course relation, software requirement, analysis and specification. The project aligns with the linear objection of software requirement, analysis and specification course by incorporation of requirement engineering with web-based programming. This course cover learning outcomes such basic web concept, client-side programming, and server-side programming. Introduction to database. The course influence the project development it of the design and implementation of a relation database to manage user portfolios. In this project, the database structure is built based on requirement, support by entitas relationship diagram.
Conclusion. The MISP web application help Polybatam students showcase their achievement and experience in a portfolio format. With creators like profile management, CV generation, project sharing, and peer exploration, it boosts visibility and networking opportunities. But using tools like a Bootstrap and MySQL is responsive and user-friendly. This project shows how software engineering concepts can solve real-world problems while supporting student profile growth. Thank you.
Thank you for taking the time to listen to our presentation. I hope it will give you a clear and concise view of our project. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.